I'm Hadeen Dobbins-Speck. I'm the president of Winning Hand Corporation. We're a business brokerage firm. Usually, our first order of business is for the seller to enter into an engagement agreement with me to broker your company. Some of my first steps is to collect financial information and calculate my opinion of value for your company. Now, my strategic approach is to contact optimal buyers, industry players, others that are capable of paying the top price for your company and also to pay in cash. My initial efforts will be to contact these optimal buyers. If we are not successful at that level, we'll go down to another level and perhaps work with very well qualified individual buyers. My objective is to obtain the highest price possible for your company from a qualified buyer. It's sort of like matchmaking. I want the buyer to be just as happy and thrilled at the opportunity as the seller is thrilled to have a qualified buyer. I hope that gives you a little bit more information. Thank you.